What's up everybody, this is Ebin and welcome to another episode of Tech No Travel. Before that, this red t-shirt doesn't look good, right? Let me just change it. Oof. Ha, now it's look good, right? Just a minute. I usually like black t-shirts. Alright, so this video is all about a small briefing about what my next trip is all about. From the last 4 to 5 months I've been in Bangalore and traveling, doing short trips and food vlogs. So I thought now it's time for a big and long trip. So in this video I'm going to announce that I'm going for a long trip from Bangalore to Chennai, and from there I'll be accompanied by one of the YouTuber. I won't reveal his name, let it be a surprise. From there I'll be going on a bike ride with him from Chennai to Pondicherry, Pondicherry to Kodaikanal, Kodaikanal to Idukki and Kollam. So there may be planned that we'll be adding more places. So that's not sure yet, but it will be really fun. I'm so much excited. So if you wish to know more about my plans and trips and stories, what happened, what's going on in my trip, then you can follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here. You can just come and follow and you'll be updated with my stories and trips. So this was all about a short brief of what my next trip is all about. So see you in the next video. It's me, Ebin, signing off.